Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by combining essentials with action. Confirm your API key and pick a model, then load a tiny reproducible example so the model sees context. Next, craft a concise prompt that states the goal, constraints, and the exact output format you want. Once done, include sample input and expected output inline. This reduces ambiguity. Make sure to set token and rate limits and choose temperature low for deterministic code. Now call the model and capture its raw reply for validation. You enter an iterative loop where execution guides prompts. Run the generated code in a sandbox and gather errors and failing test output. Once you have failures, feed them back with exact stack traces and ask the model for a targeted patch or a minimal failing test fix. Make sure to decompose complex tasks into subtasks. Request single-purpose functions first, then ask for integration. Repeat, test, report, refine. This steady cycle converges faster than asking for complete monolithic solutions. You finish by hardening and verifying. Add continuous integration checks, run linters, and validate tests so the code is reproducible. Once done, pin dependencies and freeze model parameters. Save the final prompt and sample input as documentation. If the model still misbehaves, recover by simplifying the problem, lowering temperature to reduce randomness, and giving one failing test plus expected output. Then request a step-by-step patch. This troubleshooting tip prevents chasing vague suggestions and leads to concrete fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.